Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul and in this video we are going to discuss on comments in Python. So what is a comment? In Python or in any programming language, basically comments is a sort of information that you want to give to the other people. If we go by a proper definition, then you can say that a comment is a programmer readable explanation or description of any source code. We as a programmer basically adds comment in our code with the sole purpose of making the source code much more easier for us as well as other to understand. Just like any other programming language, Python interpreter also ignores the comments. So let's talk about that how we can add comment in our code. So basically Python supports single line as well as multi-line or block of a statement comments. Python comments are very much similar to the comment that is available in PHP or Perl programming language. Whenever you want to add a particular comment, then what you can do is that you can start with a hash sign and then you can write anything. So when I'm writing this statement, this will act as a comment and Python interpreter will not run this part. Python will understand that post this hash sign, everything on this line is a comment. But if I write something below that, then Python will not consider it as a comment. Let's say that you want to add multi-line comment, then you can use the triple quotation mark and you would be able to write multi-line comment. So if I have to give instructions or if I have to write descriptions of the code related to what the code is going to do or what the code is doing right now, then I can write multi-line statement. So let's take a simple example to show how the comment is useful. Let's say that I'm gonna write a statement print hello world, this is Atul. Now if I need to give a comment saying that what exactly the print is doing, then I can write that this print statement is printing a line. So in case if somebody who is not familiar with Python and if he reads this, then he will understand that this print statement is basically printing a line. And now if I run this, you will see that Python has ignored this line, which is basically a comment, and it will only print this line. So now let's see how we can implement or add multi-line statement or multi-line comments in Python. So what I can do is that I can simply write a simple function. Let's say if I'm writing a function to multiply by 5, okay? So I'm going to say mul and then I'm going to put a comma b, okay? In this, I'm just going to give a multi-line comment saying that this is a new function and this function provides multiplication of 5. Okay, the next line in this function, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to put a result variable in which I'm going to multiply a by b and then I'm going to return result. Okay, now if I basically add a new variable, let's say that var 1 equal to mul and then I'm going to give the argument 4 comma 5 and then if I print this variable 1 and if I run this, you will see that you get this output 20, while this line has been ignored by Python because Python understand that this is a multi-line statement or multi-line comments. So this is how basically you can add comments in your Python script. Happy learning and see you in the next video.